Hi, everybody. AJ Colby here in the Weather Center, and hope you're having a fantastic hump day. Happy Wednesday, October 23rd, everyone. Well, not a bad day today. The clouds did thicken, and we're going to try something a little bit different. First thing we're going to do is right off the rip, get you to the extended forecast, and then I'll explain how I got us there. So let's do that first and show you what to expect as we head into the weekend. Friday, a chance of a shower in the afternoon and evening may impact the games, the Friday night football games, high school footballers. I believe we got one more of the regular season this weekend, down to 48 Friday night with showers ending by Saturday. Even though it does turn cooler on Saturday, we'll continue to see at least mostly sunny skies. 58, that's only a couple of degrees shy of normal for this time of the year. The sun will shine again on Sunday. It looks like a spectacular weekend. Highs in the upper 50s down to 38 on Sunday night. Then on Monday, more bright sunshine on the way and even warmer, quite a bit above normal for this time of the year, with a high temperature of 67 degrees. Now, we'll show you how we got there and start off with our mild weather continuing. Check out this graphic from the National Weather Service in Cleveland. The 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, very impressive. Above normal temperatures and a very high confidence in that occurring. 80 to 100% is almost a lock for weather. Any kind of meteorologist that goes with percentages that high for above temperatures, above normal temperatures for northern Ohio and into northwest PA. The lower confidence is extant for precip, even though we're in the below normal category. You can see that over northeast Ohio is generally near normal to below normal for precipitation. A lower confidence exists, which I think is kind of interesting, but certainly not out of the question. So that is the news in terms of our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. We'll check out our nearshore marine forecast, and a small craft advisory is in effect out on Lake Erie. It looks as though the waves will be coming in with a little bit of vigor. We're going with 3 to 7 footers, and then those 3 to 7 foot waves do gradually calm down. So that's good news too, obviously. We're looking at a north and northwest wind at 5 to 15 knots and wave action 1 to 3 feet for tomorrow. The water temperature currently off Cleveland is down another notch to 61 degrees. Okay, here is a look at radar, and you can see some thunderstorms actually firing up in southern Ontario. They're moving toward London and into Chatham, and there's a line of thundery weather. Meantime, even though radar is showing some precipitation, that is very light precip, and I don't believe that we're going to see anything. Could there be a renegade spritz or a passing drop or renegade sprinkle? I guess that's not completely out of the question, but most of us are not going to see a drop with the passage of this very weak weather system. So that's the plan, and we'll see if we can stick to it. Uh, as of right now, that's what to expect, and we'll continue to watch radar, but I don't believe anything major will be impacting our weather anytime soon. So let's have a look at our satellite imagery, and you can see the bright sunshine that was around pretty much the entire day today. Now, as the front is passing through, high and mid level clouds have been increasing. You can see the various levels of cloud cover, a phenomenon known as differential advection of cloud cover from the west southwest and the northwest in some differing patterns there. It's a very pretty cloud pattern as seen from way up in outer space and looking down toward our fair planet, our small rocky planet for that matter. We'll expand the view to encompass the entire CONUS, continental United States. Most of the action is over the Pacific Northwest, moving ashore over Washington and Oregon, seeing some disruptive and inclement weather. There are also some showers up around Quebec on the flip side of the weather coin, I suppose. And down into Ottawa, some showers, a little bit more action along the front as it moves through. You can see on our maps in motion overnight, look at the big area of sprawling high pressure start to build over the Great Lakes. And that is going to provide at least one more dry day, I would say. We're in for dry weather on Thursday and cooler. That's a pretty good chunk of Canadian air moving over. That air mass is going to be below normal for this time of the year. Notice what's happening over the upper plains and Minnesota down into Iowa. That coalescing weather system tomorrow night is going to start to tap into some atmospheric moisture there off the Gulf of Mexico. And I think we're going to make a connection this time with some rain showers. This is Friday morning. You can see the front entering just about Chicagoland with the rain out ahead of it moving into western Ohio. And by Friday evening, that front is just about pasted right over Cleveland down into Columbus and sort of bisecting the state there. By Friday evening, we have to include the chances for some showery weather. Here, the maps in motion will show this all in progress. This is Futurecast radar. Spotty showers showing up with the front today and tonight, but there by far is a much more impressive area of rain by Friday afternoon into western Ohio. So I think by Friday around afternoon rush hour, we could be contending with some raindrops. So keep that in mind. Okay, let's check out our forecast for tonight. Mostly cloudy, a brisk night. The breeze is going pretty good out of the north out there right now, 10 to 15. We've had gusts over 25 miles an hour. Overnight lows on the chilly side, 46. Then for tomorrow, expect sunshine galore, much cooler. The high only 57, so that'll be the first day we've had quite a bit below normal temperatures in quite a while. It's been quite some time. North wind at 5 to 10. And we already showed you this at the top, but give you another look at the extended outlook. The best chance for rain will be Friday during the late afternoon and evening hours. That window of time appears to be the best chance for getting some showers. 65, may need your rain gear for the Friday night games. 48 down Friday night. Then on Saturday, sunny skies, cooler, call it mostly sunny. The high only 58 degrees. I know that seems incredible, right? Because of our temperatures, how beautiful they've been. But that's just a little below normal for this time of the year. Normal highs are right around 60. Sunday looks sunny, cool day, high of 58, but that's seasonal, and a pleasant Monday for us as well. And the temperature topping out at 67. Bright sunshine, warmer temperatures. All right, everybody, that'll do it. From the AJ Colby Weather Center, I am meteorologist AJ Colby, and have a fantastic night.